Alright guys, PQ waterfall, point 8. We came this way, super dark. We crossed the creek with some water and rocks earlier. We're doing pretty good. Alright, here we are. PQ, yep. Say what's up. Yeah. And right now we're just trying to find our location to see if we're like closer to the west side of Mira Mesa. And we're more on the Camino Santa Fe side because we're hiking down all the way down this way. We're trying to figure that out. But yeah, man, these hikes have been doing pretty good in San Diego. We covered a close local trail, and we joined the San Diego hiking group, MI4 representing. And now we're gonna check out this waterfall. I'm gonna show you in about a second. Listen up, you can hear it. The waterfall. Oh, it's Ray. Oh, jeez. Okay. I was gonna say I hear it's clear now, but I think it's just Ray taking a piss, so it's all good. It's not the waterfall. Oh, it is the waterfall too. Listen, guys. There it is. Alrighty. Go. So right there, from there, that's the trail we're gonna loop back from. Just around. You can see people biking down there. That trail right there. Sorry guys, I had to switch over to my other device because my phone died already. So here we go.
Yeah. From where? Like what part? Do you see a steam? Oh yeah.
Yeah, so from the bottom you can kind of see the steam if you look at it right angle. But yeah, like right there you can kind of see the steam coming off the water. Walk that fall in there, get real close and show you guys again. Sit right there, you get dropping in. You look close to the water underneath. The steam coming off the pit and dancing to the photo. But earlier I was talking, I don't think I got the footage, but yeah, see if you came up that route right there, you came down, there's some stairs right there, you go down. But that's a nice shot. And just gotta make sure you get the grip, take a picture of the guys hanging out here. But it's a nice view. Way back, you can see through there, through the canyon, Dan doing the video. Coming off the backside if you're going down into the waterfall, jumping on these rocks, trying to climb over. Land. Alright guys, this is it, and I don't even think I was filming earlier the whole time.
Hey, Ray.
But you can see the water.
Oh, okay, sorry.
Yeah. Yeah, cool. Yeah. So earlier I had you guys coming down like some good footage, and then it's just like, I don't know if they stopped recording or what. Right there. Earlier I was saying there was some stairs there. I don't know if I got that footage.
That Chinese guy don't ever change. I'm always in my Nike.
Oh, you are?
Yeah, because
oh,
it's
yeah.
the same picture. Yeah.
Dan is too? Oh, wait, no, Dan changed actually. Oh, shit. Damn.
He wears his purple jacket.
Yeah. Usually he has his puffy jacket.
Mine,
Yeah.
But me, I always wear the same Nike hooded sweater. Yeah, because I don't want to get my other clothes.
The legendary Nike sweater. Yeah. Don't want to mess it up. Yeah. I see where you're coming from for sure.
How'd you get to that chair?
That's a nice shot right here.
See that chair? Oh, you just climbed through there.
Yeah. Oh, because the stairs right there. And then you see the stairs.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
No, but like
That's a nice shot.
Like to get on that side, that's the other trail that you were talking about. Like
Yeah.
going back.
Imagine trying to go this way. You could. You'd have to go like.
Yeah, you can.
You go like down that way.
Oh.
Rock climbers?
No,
Yeah.
those ones that jump through buildings. What are those people called?
Oh. There's a name for that, right? I forgot.
Yeah,
Runners?
No, they jump through buildings,
Yeah.
so usually it's like they
Oh, you want me in there?
Yeah.
Okay, okay. Okay, so we just coming from the waterfall now that you guys just saw. And we're thinking and deciding if we should go back the way we came or if we should go this way, and supposedly if it'll take us all the way around.
It'll connect over there, but I don't want to backtrack.
No. This is the ledge.
That's a nice little view I want to show you guys. And we're also wondering
So I
if
guess
the rain's coming.
we will have to go back this way.
Alright, so we're going back the way, right? Okay. Just to make sure, because we don't know.
That Chinese guy don't ever change. I'm always in my Nike.
Oh, you are?
Yeah, because
Oh, yeah.
same picture. Yeah.
Dan is too? Oh, wait, no, Dan changed actually. Oh, shit.
He
Damn.
wears his purple jacket.
Yeah, usually he has his puffy jacket.
Mine,
Yeah.
But me, I always wear the same Nike hooded sweater. Yeah, I don't want to get my other
The
clothes.
legendary Nike sweater. Yeah. Don't want to get mess it up. Yeah, I see where you're coming from for sure.
How'd you get to that chair?
That's a nice shot right here.
To that chair? Oh, you just climbed through there.
Oh, because the stairs right there. And then you see the stairs.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
No, but like,
That's a nice shot.
like to get on that side, that's the other trail that you were talking about. Like
Yeah.
going back.
Imagine trying to go this way. You could. You'd have to go like. You can. You go like down that way. Rock climbers?
No,
Yeah.
those ones that jump through buildings. What are those people called?
There's a name for that, right? I forgot.
Yeah,
The runners?
no, they jump through buildings,
Yeah.
so usually it's like they
So the muddy I was talking about was that. So if I was talking to you guys and not paying attention to walking, I would have stepped in all that mud right there.
That's a dog, right?
Yeah, we thought it was a rooster, but I think it is a dog. You can hear it. Somebody's dog's making like these rooster noises.
I know.
To the other side.
Yeah, I know.
I wonder if there's another way.
Sorry.
There is.
Sorry.
Oh,
Cross
okay.
the river. Yes, our conversation
Or
is about
just
crossing the
strangely-
creek.
Like walking, like
Or,
ankle texting.
yeah. So we're trying to walk and like talk and decide if we're gonna go around or go back. And I think we are going back. But there's this big old muddy. Oh, you hear that? Rooster. Someone's got a rooster. You hear that in their backyard?
And dog.
And a dog.
Yeah.
Here's the bridge in the daytime, guys, and what the creek looks like and the water running through it. It's pretty cool. And we cross over there. We were jumping over rocks in the dark earlier, but I didn't film it. There you go. That's Camino Ruiz right there. So up that way, like I showed you guys. A lot of joggers. We keep seeing joggers, man.
They run fast too. They just
We the best music. Another one. DJ Khaled.
You stick out of the crowd, baby, it's a no-brainer. It ain't that hard to choose. Him or me, be for real, baby, it's a no-brainer. You got your mind on loose. Go hard and watch the sunrise. One night it change your whole life. Pop top, drop top, baby, it's a no-brainer. Put 'em up if you with me, yeah. In the middle.
Mama told you don't talk to strangers. Mama, but when you ride in that drop, you can't explain it. What you been waiting on this whole time? I blow the brains out of your mind.